What's up, everyone? It's Roxanne Mendoza with RM Global Business Solutions. Some of the conversations that I have with individuals that are interested in either starting their company or building their brand, whether it's e-commerce or a service-based business or a marketing business, whatever the business may be, I always get the question, do I need to write a business plan and is it important? And my answer always is absolutely. A failure to plan is just a plan to fail. Your business plan is your roadmap of your business. Who are you? Who do you help? Who's your target market? And what problem are you going to solve? You'll have your SWOT analysis, your pest analysis, your 5-year financial projections. When is your business going to break even? What are your products or services? What is your marketing plan? Those are key things that you need to know before you present your sales pitch to any potential investor. Or if you want to apply for a small business loan and you want to present, they want to know who you are. What is your brand? What do you do? So yes, when I get asked that question, is a business plan important and should I have one for each of the multiple businesses that I'm going to start? My answer will always be absolutely. It's key. It's your sales pitch. It's your roadmap. And it's also great for you to keep you on your toes, to meet those deadlines, to know whether or not your business is growing, if you're attaining revenue, cash flow, if you need to modify anything in your business, or is your business model not working for you so you can change it. It'll keep you accountable. At RM Global Business Solutions, we want to work with you to either write your business plan or guide you through the process. We'll meet with you one-on-one every week. We'll coach you. We'll help you get your final product of your business plan officially binded. Or if you're looking to start up your business within a 48-hour time frame, we'll be able to apply for all legal documents within your state, help you with your EIN number, your articles of incorporation, get you a professional business binder and seal, and so much more. We'll work with you one-on-one to make your business model or brand successful. Continue to check us out on all social media outlets as well as our website. Always remember that the blueprint to your success is you. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great one. Bye-bye.